I'm planning of a startup, i.e. video production for local businesses. How can I market it? All right. I am marketing my business using video. Video is at the top of the list of my marketing activities. You would have seen me upload videos on my YouTube channel regularly, and now I've started to do these YouTube lives as well. So if you are you've got to do the things which you are preaching. If you're telling somebody or to your client, well, you need to get started with your video marketing because video is the best thing since sliced bread. But then why aren't you doing it yourself if it's so bloody brilliant? So, I find this a bit of hypocrisy, that when somebody is telling you to do something, or it's like a doctor telling you should not smoke, but then the doctor himself is a heavy smoker. So that doesn't work. You're not going to take his advice. And you're going to say, well, he smokes all day long, so why can't I? And he's telling me to stop smoking or eat junky food, whereas he has got, some doctors are, they have a bit of a weight on them. So you got to do and preach and do the same things. And when I say to my clients, look, you got to start with video marketing, they tend to listen to me because they know I'm doing this. They see my ads, they see my videos keep coming up, and I'm in front of them. And video is the best way to build trust and get your message out there. I'm not a big fan of explainer videos and going to a Fiverr or Upwork and create a video with some third person. If you want to sell your services and sell yourself, then you are your brand, just like I'm my brand. I'm making these videos myself. So do the same thing. When your customers see that, they will come to you for sure. So to sell videos and for video production, video is the best platform and channel you've got.